is the water for the plantation. Goes around the corner like that. A nice little system in it that they developed for the water system. This water is all free from the riverbed. They pump it from the river down there. Goes all the way to all of the different places. Sick little plantation, mashallah. I guess that's a date tree. Dates grow on that tree. Yeah, we have chilies. Chilies are growing here. All these are chili. Chili. Yeah. Chili. Red chili. All these are chili. Chili, chili, chili. All these are chili. Some more trees. Oranges, I suppose, lemons. Look at the view into the mountains. Surrounded by mountains. This plantation is just outside Dacarbudhuq. It's on the river. It's on the river that passes Dacarbudhuq. So it's basically about a 20-minute walk outside Dacarbudhuq, the town. You will find this plantation. It is on a big land. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that.